This steering wheels, guys, has this particular stitch. Is called cross X. This one is a beautiful vehicle, guys. Unfortunately, I cannot show you the cars, but the steering wheels, we're gonna be grabbing this, and we're gonna be grabbing this other Porsche steering wheel. Welcome, 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 welcome. And today, guys, we have the classic Porsche steering wheels. Another Porsche steering wheel. This one, they told me, some kind of unique vehicle. I don't really know much about it. And another classic Porsche. Guys, we do this graphing as part of EM Upholstery Technology.com business. You know, in that EM Upholstery Technology, we can do all kind of things. Let's say you have an airplane or you have a boat. We can help you with custom upholstery. Let's say you have a spaceship, you have a submarine. We can help you. That's part of our custom shop. And these wrappings, guys, we have them available for your Honda Civic. These are European classic cars, guys, but you don't have to worry about that, because we can do it for your Honda Civic, we can do it for your Ford truck, for your Dodge truck, any vehicle. Or if you have an old worn out steering wheel, we still be able to help you guys. Just make an inquiry. People in Facebook, like and subscribe, and you can go directly to the website so you can find the information at emupholsterytechnology.com, because you guys know that LeatherTeck.com is only for our leather seats that we have virtually for any vehicle. Real leather seats for your car at LeatherTeck.com. And these ones, they're all gonna be black, guys. But if you want the little red thing right here, or yellow or pink, or any color that you might think, we can put it in there. Actually, we can work with exotics. We used to make these things with Ostrich, and we make them for Bentleys, we make it for Rolls Royce, we make them for Ferraris, you name it, guys. This is a real masterpiece of work when it comes to wrapping. And again, this is not your cheap $25 wrap that you're gonna buy on eBay. No, guys. This is the real deal. This is craftsmanship that is been not easy to learn. It takes some time, and we want to offer this service for you guys if you need something like this at emupholsterytechnology.com, guys. So look forward for more videos. I'm gonna demonstrate how beautiful these worn out steering wheels are gonna be restored, so you can see the transformation and admire the craftsmanship. Like and subscribe, guys. If you have an inquiry, put it in the comments, or call me, or text me. Thank you.
that'll make you weep. Slide in, feel the leather, so pristine. Comfort like you've never seen. Forget the past, now it's time to glow. LeatherTeck's the place you gotta go. Yeah, leather dreams are calling your name. Comfort and style, ain't it all the same? Feel the luxury wrapped around. At LeatherTeck loves where you're bound. Made. Sit back, relax, feel the clash with every mile. You'll feel the sass. No more wanna ride in your uncomfortable's a word of yesterday. With LeatherTeck leading the way.
Ugly seats make you wanna scream.
Oh, that's another. It's not even rock anymore. It's pop.
Dream. Stinky cloth making you feel mean.
Can't believe it's AI. It's not somebody you paid for.
You need the style, you need the flair. Luxury leather beyond compare. Travel in comfort, breathing fresh air. LeatherTeck seats got that perfect pair. Leather seats, now that's a treat. Feel the smooth in every beat. Comfort and luxury can't be beat. LeatherTeck makes your ride complete. Out with the old, in with the sleek. EM Upholstery's one-stop tweak. No more cloth, you got what you seek. Leather so fine makes your car unique. From dull interiors to quite divine. You won't believe how your seats shine. Trapped in a funk, but now you climb. With leather seats, baby, you're on cloud 9. LeatherTeck makes your ride complete. We'll cruise the highway with endless charm. Leather to wrap you in cozy warm. Say goodbye to seats so lousy. With LeatherTeck your car's not a norm. LeatherTeck makes your ride complete. LeatherTeck makes your ride complete.